Y'all miss me? I was very tough. Cause you got to love on your liver so your liver can love you back. Hey, well, I'm trying to get back with vlogging. Y'all miss me? I'm bare face, bare ass, everything. I need to put some lashes on because I look a little sickly. Anyway, I don't got no more storage on my memory card, y'all. Your girl is super tired. I just got off work. It's been some interesting couple of days, and so my sister asked me to come out and if I want to do yoga today, and I'm like, yeah, I need some air for sure. So I'm trying to get on my vlogging. I'm probably gonna try to do like weekly. I'm gonna try to do weekly, okay? And then I want to do some sit down videos and stuff. So it feel good out here. No, sister, this is sister who told me to come out here and got me up in the front. I like this little vibe though. Cause who told her that everybody be out here with all these people that ain't supposed to know my business? They in my business.
Guess what?
Who?
Your friend.
Who my friend? Turtle.
Cool, we're gonna get this sunset yoga started today. Give yourself a round of applause for coming out. Bring your knees out to the edge of your mouth. Extend your arms to the top of your mat. Press your palms down into the mat. Breathe in. Open your heart to the right. Shoulders down to your left knee. And reach, grab your foot.
I need you in my life. Every time I try to go, something keeps pulling me back. Everything's gonna be alright.
And come back to center. Focus. Grab your left foot. Whichever way you gotta get there.
Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me.
And lift. 4. Wait. 1.
What?
2.
Stop! What?
6. 8. 9. 10.
Help,
And
baby
come
Jesus.
down.
Oh, baby Jesus.
Telling me I need you in my life.
It was awesome. Awesome. Oh, I can't feel my legs. That was really, really fun.
Meant to be, you were meant for me.
Oh, so who the hell screaming? What?
They're plant-based ice cream.
They got what?
Plant-based ice cream.
Sandbar. That's cool. Hey, man, let me hurry up so this ball come over here.
Make it. Have you ever?
Look at my sister Kaya. Fine.
What something's wrong with you?
Love you too. Now they got donut peaches. I need to get one of those. This is my favorite kind of water, y'all. I want some food, but excuse me. Oh, that's just a sparkling. I don't need that. But I'm trying to see whether or not I want to take this dose for your liver. I see it. They got sea moss too and soursop. Y'all gonna have to excuse me because I'm just trying to come on here and be as authentic as possible. You know, when you vlogging, you literally just have to just set it all out there. You just gotta set it out there, you know? If you look bummy, if your hair ain't done, if you look a mess, if it does not matter your day-to-day that you got going on, you literally have to show it or you're going to not vlog. So I'm trying to get back into vlogging. It's been a long time. I missed y'all. For y'all faithful day ones that be on me and have been on me throughout the years, like y'all have been like, Chetty, what are you doing? Chetty, when you gonna get back on YouTube? Yeah, that's all cute and fine. And I mean, y'all follow me on other pages, but y'all be like, that's good. Get on back over to where you belong. Get on back over there to YouTube. And when I tell y'all, I have been all over the place. My life has been a movie. Okay, there's so much stuff to update y'all on. I don't even know if I'm ready to go there and speak on everything, so y'all just got to give me a little moment but I will try to be as transparent as possible because it's just a lot of stuff to talk about. And I know that I'm not the only person that's ever gone through stuff like this or will go through stuff like this in the future. So I understand where it can help. Now I'm about to go into the Dollar Tree because I need to pick up just some regular household items like paper towels and stuff like that. I'm finally home. Yay! Y'all hear how quiet that is? You see it's a new environment. Yeah, long story. Anyway, they had nothing at the Dollar Tree. I needed some napkins, some paper towels. They have nothing else that I needed. But did y'all know they had like little, maybe I'm a little childish, but did y'all know they had these little like shorts? They got it in small, medium, large. I think I'd be there to put a hole in these. They made sure that people weren't stealing these out of here without putting the holes in them. I don't know if it's thread. It is thread. They say you ain't getting these. These are medium, and they got Popeye and what's her name? She was my damn favorite. And then I got the gummy bears. Harbo. Might be childish, but if I can find something comfortable and it was only $1.50, come on now. Come on now. Y'all, you get what you pay for. So I don't know how they're gonna be when you wash them, but see? Y'all, just cute little shorts to wear around the house. I'm gonna throw these in the washing machine. And then they got some pho with real pho ingredients in it, and it's gluten-free, dairy-free, MSG-free, soy-free. I be craving noodles, and it's very hard to come by because I'm gluten-free. I don't know if y'all have ever seen these before. Jade Pearl rice ramen, millet and brown rice. I've tried this before first. This is good. This is gluten-free as well, so it's rice noodles. Then I got this because, baby, I got this liver detox because I feel like I need to support my liver a little better with detoxing and flushing toxins out your system and all that kind of stuff. Look it up, girl. We'll talk about it later because you got to love on your liver so your liver can love you back. We was in that grass, and if you don't know, amongst all the other things I'm allergic to grass as well. So I'm a little itchy, but I had a really, really good time. Like, I literally needed it with the type of day that I had today at work and just in general. Even though things worked itself out, I was ready to. But yeah, it was so relaxing. It was so healing. It was so like uplifting and motivational. And it just felt so good to just release and just let go. I got to take this wig off, y'all. One thing for sure, I've been having this wig since November. I done cut on it so much. And it's a synthetical. Put it on like a hat, girl. Take it off like a hat. Okay, I don't care. Okay, probably eat one of these tonight. So yeah, I'm about to get in the shower. I was so skinny. Baby, look. Ow. But baby, you turn to the side.
Giving so much of yourself, it seems the only way. Tell me what you want.
Good evening, y'all. I sound a mess because, baby, that's the how I'm feeling. I got a package, so I need to go see what the package is, and I need to go and grab a couple of things from the store. My bed ain't made, y'all. I literally just threw on a little top and some sandals. Okay, might have a little progress going. Gotta get rid of this. I gotta get this hair off my chain. Ooh, yeah, I have no energy. I knew at one point my iron was low, so I was taking iron meds. That helped out for the 2 months, but then I didn't get any more. So now I need to get some more because, baby, I don't know if my sleep pattern is off. I don't really know what is going on. I'm ready to go vegan. I don't know if I'm gonna do it forever, but I think my body is definitely calling for it. Let me go in here and get this package, child. They're roses, guys. Big ass box. Can y'all even see them down in there? Let me tell you what amazes me. When you speak over yourself and you speak over the things that you want in your life and what you feel like you deserve and your expectations, once you speak that out, God matches you there. That goes for good and bad. There's life and death in the power of the tongue. I am learning that. Bad things that I've spoke over myself, they have happened. Crazy, weird shit has happened. Beautiful things have happened as well. So I'm really trying to be intentional on what I speak for myself and how I'm speaking over myself. I literally remember being like, I want to give flowers all the time. I need to have them consistently. Honestly, it's just how I want it to feel. It's just how I want it to be treated. I have had roses in my home consistently, non-stop. Y'all missed it because I wasn't vlogging for my birthday. I'll try to put some pictures or some videos in, but by the time my birthday came and went, I was still receiving flowers. There were flowers all in my home.
Girl, oh no, she love me if I was not.
This right here is so good. Y'all, it's so hot. What we gonna do this summer? What are we gonna do this summer? Baby, I need to retire this wig. But this wig be getting me there. Like, this is my hurry up, throw this on real quick wig. So I got my package secured. It's in the bag. I have my groceries. That's probably gonna last me for the next 2-3 days, because I was gonna sit here in this parking lot for a good minute on TikTok scrolling, trying to see what vegan meal I can make today. It's too much. It's too much. I'm finally back home and I'm about to warm up the potato. I had a loaded potato. I'm about to eat that. Then I'm about to go do what else I need to do. I got homework to do and I only got literally probably like 2 weeks left in this class, y'all. And I have not done nothing besides like a few assignments. So
Go, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me, girl? Oh no, would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me, girl? Would you, baby? Have love for me? Would you love me on the bus? I got 21 questions, and they all about us. I just wanna chill and twist the line, catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I'll provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't wanna see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out now? Would you, babe? Girl, babe, would you love me if I was down and out now? Still have love for me? What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. Sipping wine in a row. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, pool bomb, just say, yeah. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing, in the west wing of this mansion. What's happening? I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. True love is so hard to find, and it's right between your lips and mine.
Y'all, so yeah, I'm in my closet, clothes back there, and I have a whole setup right here, my prayer boards, all that. Maybe once I get everything together, then y'all can see. Other than that, this where I'll be making my coins. Okay, I am about to start work. It's been a long day. I'm trying to get in the groove of figuring out when to talk to y'all. But I have my turmeric and ginger tea, lemon juice, a little black pepper, a little honey. This is what I try to drink in the morning time to get my stomach and stuff together. I have literally been on the phone with tech support for a couple of hours trying to get into my system. My neighbors was acting a fool this earlier last night in the middle of the damn night. Acting a fool. So I didn't get much sleep. Mary's on the way. If y'all know who Mary is, OG, that's Mother Nature. That's the time of the month. She's coming around the bend. So I'm tired. Then on top of that, I'm a mother. Okay? So I'm having to get my sons together for some stuff. I ain't even got a chance to wake up. I ain't even up. Have you ever woke up and been like, I ain't even get to put my feet on the ground yet before all this stuff happened? Yeah, that's me. So I just had to pray because I felt myself getting very annoyed. I had to pray, write in my journal. This is my little Dear God journal. I had won it through a game with my niece's bridal shower, and it was supposed to be just a regular journal, but that, you know, everything happens for a reason. So I definitely needed that book, and that's actually before I ended up moving out, became single again. So I really do utilize it, but yeah, I'm trying to wake up, okay? I'm trying to wake up. I think that's all I have right now. I need to get myself together because I need to get some work in. I have to do some things for my son. I got these nightstands and lampshades from the thrift store. I wanted to start on the project this week, and I think I'm gonna spray paint the lamps like a texture, like nudish color maybe. And then the nightstands, I don't know what color I should do them. They like brand new, but they don't match my bed or my theme. I'll show it to y'all, and then we'll have to go and see. So I wanted to go pick up some paint or some spray paint. Them folks was putting contact paper on their drawers. If I would have known, y'all, that was an easier way for me to do it, I would have ordered the contact paper. But my problem is, when I get ready to do something, I'm gonna do it right. And then, like, if it's not available at the time I want to do it, then we that's not an option. That's Aries for you. So if I was prepared, or if I knew that there was a possibility to put wallpaper or contact paper on the nightstands, which I should have known. But if I would have thought of that sooner, I definitely would have went that route. But they don't really have too many options on colors. My bed is a funny color. Sheets is a funny color, like brown. I want browns and beige and tans and grays and all that kind of stuff. I like neutral colors. I don't like pops of nothing unless it's like still gonna be pops of black and emerald greens and all that. And I ain't in it right now. Okay, y'all. Because I'm mumbling and I'm going to be taking up your time when I got stuff to do. I need to be trying to wake up, get some work in, and recenter myself to prepare for a good rest of the day. I hope you all are well. I hope you all are feeling good. I hope that you all are able to manage your mental health, your emotional health, your spiritual and physical health, okay? Because it's important. Speaking of which, while I'm trying to therapy y'all, I ain't logged into class still. Y'all, this class end next week. So this weekend I plan to get the nightstands and the lamps taken care of, like the color. I also might paint over those pictures that I got also from the thrift store. And I got like 3 mirrors as well, but I ain't doing everything at once. I'm gonna do what I can when I can. Yeah, y'all, I'm blabbering. I'll talk to y'all when I get done, okay? Gotta go to work. Bye.